Open the Navia app and navigate to the footer. Tap on the account and select Profile section. Here you will see edit icons for your email, phone, and bank details. Tap on any of these to access the profile edit page. Click the hamburger menu on the top right corner and select Change of Address. On the Address Details page, scroll down and tap the Proceed to Change button. You will now be redirected to the DigiLocker portal, a secure Government of India platform. You will be prompted to grant permissions. Allow the Navia app to access your camera and location by selecting while using the app or only this time. If you don't have an account, tap Don't Have an Account, Sign Up. If you already have a DigiLocker account, log in using your mobile number or username or Aadhaar number. Enter your Aadhaar number, tap Next and then enter the OTP you receive. Tick the declaration checkbox and tap Submit. Now enter your 6-digit DigiLocker security PIN and tap Submit. Tap the Allow button to give consent for eKYC. In the screen, you will see that your PAN and Aadhaar are verified. Note: this will happen only if your name and initials should be the same in your account as your Aadhaar and PAN card. If your name is mismatched, then you will be asked to give your PAN card details. Now update your personal details. Select your marital status. Enter your mother's name and your father's or husband's name. Choose your educational qualification and occupation. Enter your annual income and select your level of experience in the stock market. Provide your source of income. Enter your VAT card details such as nationality and country of birth and indicate if your tax residency is outside of India. Once all details are filled in, tick all the checkboxes at the bottom of the page and tap Next. If your name is mismatched, then you will be asked to upload your PAN card as an image or PDF here. Now you will be also asked to upload your signature. Click on it. Either draw your signature or upload a saved one. Tap Submit Signature and then tap Next. You will now be taken to the IPV screen to complete the in-person verification by capturing your photo. Allow the Navia app to access your camera. Before taking the picture, ensure you are in a brightly lit area. Your face is centered within the frame. Look straight into the camera. Ensure your face is straight and centered and that you are not wearing eyeglasses. And note, blink your eyes to capture your photo. If needed, tap Retake Photo to try again. Tap Proceed to e-sign on the next screen. Download the PDF document and verify the information. The new address linked to your Aadhaar number will be auto-fetched. Then click on e-sign to complete the process. You will then be redirected to the declaration page. Read the declaration, tick the checkbox and enter your Aadhaar number. Tap Send OTP and verify the OTP sent to your Aadhaar linked mobile number. Once verified, you will see the confirmation message, Request placed successfully. Tap OK. You will be redirected back to the profile edit page. You can check your service status and request details along with the signed PDF here at any time. And that is it. Your address change request has been submitted successfully. Changes will be completed within 2 working days. You will receive a confirmation email once your address has been updated in your trading and demat account. Clients who are unable to complete the process online can download the form from the link in the video description and courier them to the company's address. If you would like to share any feedback on the app, please go to the account section and click on the app feedback. You will be redirected to the feedback page where you can click Start and share your valuable feedback. Thank you for watching and happy trading with Navia.